Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Lotto Lock Tuesday. The day when we show off our Lotto locks, our Lockout Tagout locks, the locks that keep our workers safe. Now today for you, I've got this Master Lock commercial. It says it's number 3. Yeah, I know, I can hear what you're saying, that, you know, these are crap. Well, you know, a crap pick and all that. But the thing is, this is a Lockout Tagout lock. So it's not meant to be the best. It's not meant to be the best core. Master Lock makes those plastic Lotto locks, Lockout Tagout locks, and yeah, they are a good pick. They're a 6-pin, you know, they're a good core. Everyone brags about how good that core is. Why don't they put it in other stuff? Well, that's a good question, and that's for Master Lock to answer. But for today, we're going to pick this number 3. This lock was given to me by Chris Capune. His little dangly there. And I'm going to try and pick it. Now, of course, I've picked this before. And, you know, some days I can pick it in an instant. Other days it takes me forever. So, let's just try our luck today. Trying to work out where the shade is. But anyway, going in with me Daz Evers. Oh, hang on, I might go in with me Jason Carlson first. My beautiful Jason Carlson. Because if you have a look at the key, we've got ourselves a nice gatekeeper there. Now the bitting to all locks make a big difference to the level of security. But this is not a security lock. This is a Lockout Tagout lock. This is just meant to go on machinery and stuff, just to let the other workers know not to turn the thing on. So, here we go. Click at the back, starting at the back because I'm trying to avoid that number 1 pin, which will probably get set by me just sticking the pick in. Am I in frame? Oh, who knows. Find out at the end when I have a look at it. Getting some clicks. Not really getting a whole lot. Trying to set the pins up the back. So yeah, you can say how easy Master Lock number 3s are to pick, and that they're one of the first locks to get hold of to practice picking with, because they are an easy pick. But they're meant to be an easy pick. And yeah, there's lots of videos of people out there just tapping it with a hammer and open it, or getting the old 2 spanners in between the shackle and snapping it. But it's meant to be easy to get off if someone's lost their key or gone home with the key and people need to get back into the machinery or whatever. It's meant to. Not having much luck here. Not getting anything. Oh, I've got to change my hands. Okay, here we go. The snap. Yeah, alright, love that sound. Totally love it. Well, this has been the Master Lock number 3 Lockout Tagout lock for Loto Lock Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Have fun today. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.